A design pattern are well-proven solution for solving the specific problem or task. So design patterns in Java. So a design patterns are well-proven solution for solving the specific problem or task. So now a question will be arising in your mind, what kind of specific problem? So suppose you want to create a class for which only a single instance or object should be created, and that a single object can be used by all other classes. So solution is singleton design pattern is the best solution of above specific problem. So every design has some specification or set of rules for solving the problems. So what are those specifications? But remember one thing, that design patterns are programming language independent strategies for solving the common object oriented design problems. That means a design pattern represents an idea, not a particular implementation. So by using the design patterns, you can make your code more flexible, reusable and maintainable, and it is the most important part because Java internally follows design patterns. So to become a professional software developer, you must know at least some popular solutions, design patterns to the coding problems. So advantage of design pattern is that they are reusable in multiple projects, and they provide the solutions that help to define the system architecture, and they capture the software engineering experiences, and they provide transparency to the design of an application. And they are well proved and testified solutions since they have been built upon the knowledge and experience of expert software developers. So design patterns don't guarantee an absolute solution to a problem, and they provide clarity to the system architecture and possibly of building better system. So when should we use design patterns? So we must use the design patterns during the analysis and requirement phase of software development life cycle. And design patterns is the analysis and requirement phase of SDLC by providing information based on prior hands-on experiences. So categorization of design patterns. Basically, design patterns are categorized into two parts: core Java or JSE design patterns and JEE design patterns. So core Java design patterns. So in core Java there are mainly three types of design patterns, which are further divided into their subparts. First, creational design pattern, factory pattern, abstract factory pattern, singleton pattern, prototype pattern and builder pattern. Then structural design pattern, adapter pattern, bridge pattern, composite pattern, decorator pattern, facade pattern, flyweight pattern and proxy pattern. Then behavioral design patterns are chain of responsibility pattern, command pattern, interpreter pattern, iterator pattern, mediator pattern, memento pattern, observer pattern, state pattern, strategy pattern, template pattern and visitor pattern. So this was a brief discussion on design patterns in Java.